Green procurement is part of a broader program called Act Now within EliaGroup, where we have to report on the emissions of the assets that we buy.
So when we as EliaGroup buy a product or a service, we cause a certain amount of carbon emissions, so-called embedded emissions. And an internal carbon price is a way of putting a price on these embedded emissions. So with green procurement, we want to support our suppliers in their journeys and make sure that with their sustainability efforts, they are still competitive tomorrow. And we also want to push them to go even further.
EliaGroup is certainly amongst the TSOs that actively seek for a greener install base, and we are together with EliaGroup working on those solutions. It puts an additional pressure in the tenders. And therefore it's important to value those efforts and technologies in order to reach it. A nice example is certainly the Allegro HVDC link between Belgium and Germany, where we adapted the building of the station in a way that it fits more into the overall environment in Lixhe. We have a more rounded building, so it's not only the technical installation, but really the building itself, which has been adapted to the environment and not being a classical square box.
Green procurement is also fully in line with our sustainability ambitions because we are working with our suppliers as well as with our customers really along the total value chain towards a green procurement. For example, we are developing a switchgear which is the next generation without a gas called SF6, which has a high global warming potential, but it is also as compact and light as possible, so minimization of steel and other materials, so that we can use a full sustainability optimized switchgear approach.
So the result that we see in the market is that the suppliers ask themselves the right questions. What is the right balance between the price and the carbon footprint of the solutions that they are offering?
So I think we're moving in the right direction and we try to be a front runner in the field, but we also try to align with our European peers to really push for more legislation and standardization, which is really important.